In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Outlook Mail in Gmail with this full guide. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly integrate your Outlook emails into your Gmail account, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will help you effortlessly manage both accounts from one convenient location, making your email experience smoother and more efficient. First, you'll need to navigate to your Gmail settings. To do this, open up your preferred web browser and type in mail.google.com to access your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon, which is your settings menu. From there, you'll want to select See All Settings. This will bring up a comprehensive list of settings. Next, you'll need to find and click on the Accounts and Import tab. This specific tab will allow you to manage mail from other email services, including Outlook. Now, let's focus on adding your Outlook account to Gmail. Under the Check Mail from Other Accounts section, you'll see an option labeled Add a Mail Account. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your Outlook email address. Simply type in your Outlook address and click Next to proceed. You will then want to select the option that says Import Emails from My Other Account, PLP3, and click Next again to move forward with the setup. At this point, you need to enter your Outlook POP3 details. For the username, type in your Outlook email address. Next is the password, which will be your regular Outlook account password. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, be sure to use your app password instead. Moving forward, you'll see a field for the POP server. This should be set to outlook.office365.com, and for the port number, enter 995. It's important to ensure that you tick the box for Always Use a Secure Connection, SSL, to maintain the security of your email exchanges. If you wish to retain a copy of your emails on the Outlook server as well, you can also check the option, Leave a copy on the server. This step is optional, but it's helpful if you still want access to your emails directly from Outlook. Once these details are correctly entered, click on Add Account to finalize the process. That's it. You've successfully learned how to open Outlook Mail in Gmail. By following these steps, you can now manage your Outlook emails within the Gmail interface, making it easier to stay organized and on top of your email correspondences. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials.